Malaria. Introduction. Malaria is rare in the United States. Select true or false. Correct. Malaria is fairly rare in the United States. Out of about 250 million cases in the world, only about 1,500 are in the U.S. Malaria can be transmitted like the flu by uninfected and infected persons breathing the same air. Select true or false. Correct. Malaria cannot be transmitted by breathing the same air as an infected person. The malaria parasite always overpowers the human immune system, and the patient dies if they do not take medications. Select true or false. Correct. Not all people who get malaria die from it. Only 1 out of 500 infected people die. Which of the following continents is not a malaria endemic area? Choose one of the following options. 1. Africa. 2. Asia. 3. Europe. Correct. Europe is not a malaria endemic region. A malaria endemic region is an area where malaria is common. Thank you for using Explain.